Mamema wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana SM TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching ebusiafo endra ensem because wo Ghana ha me yes make kra we wansem kro just abetre no bia ka ho asem a eye Land and Natural Resources Minister Honorable Emmanuel Kofi Amaboa ebetena TV so ya wosu ne ya sapone senya documentary bi omode abrede say chama wuntumi ni di won wo ye Galamsey no say ohu bija na mu ndc mo penso 2016 17 18 mo hono no Honorable Kofi Bua na say onya ndc ni fo hu say Galamsey na jinsem na mo kura Ghana fo mu duebo ana me patch say youth na aba no 2013 mo hoba na mo nkura phone na mo ntie news so till now kura youth ni bebre ntie news o kwa TikToker what's the BB friend teleportation vibe is wotwetwa one nakedness edigu internet no so ene ntokohu na woko won ntie news yan parking kan yan pehwe intino sa aban biba na o ya adimpo na brode ne bo ye de isan so okọ market na okoto brode na wanhu se brode ne bo ye de wo market intino yan fengina so nchi aban no without knowing say even aban not is no yes and na sad last year abra campaign no how na Ghana for youth no AC kasa so man collapse no I was shocked 2016 me say dey yin bia sa o but me naturally no me politics because I don't percent me hwe ne ekoso 2013 na mo secondary school 14 15 ni be yin na mo 13 okay 13 let me say 14 ni mo was in school 15 16 and I'm a bar into media anymore. Na me hwe mani shade. Na nia mandis fo ye na ye not. Ghana fo se musim we hu. Send pipi bai. Hit na me hu sa. Endro me kwato brodi ba ku say 10 cedis. Say 10 cedis me do say 20 cedis. Ye ndu ba bia o. Adenti na motisa. Mo ba na ban ba kwa atena so na why settlement na ye hu be ye kɔ no. 8 years na mo etu. 8 years na mo etu. Nti Ghana ntebe Ghana we enyi na ebusuafo Galamsey hu se me etwego Honorable Kofi Bua e ba besu se o hu se Galamsey agency mo Ghana hada nti omo ba power ya na agency nti omo kotu tema wuntum na adwuma ne ntum he ze Robert na TV so na ti se Ghana fu na aso we akwatia no ti se Honorable izi na ni awuze tam ti se obi akotia because ye ntia se de tumi ama na obetena se ebesua chenze ye o na omanyene ya wadu acha oye journalist oni obi omo kan ho sem na omo de ensem tu dwan Ghana fu bi nso ama reply omo eche se journalist ni bia oye campaign de ma John Dramani Mahama so ombedi yenso no by this time ense wo duty esi fame na omo na wani wu ho because 3 months pay your mobile na I wonder some journalists fu bia me bu omo a omo to me ebetena na radio so ebeka se friend said the Mahama started the beko ye pa a journalist and then I started beko ye because where you betting tax if you want where you levy if you want is that all now the other shame no more can Ghana more journalist for what's what when you journalist now to about Mahama she said when you won't put all yenti is on my hand and money to jar and I'm so being so mass reply
most why
if we really want to reset everybody the alliance minister ti okosu ye kokko de jonsu no say oko Galamsey wachi yankasi yetu Galamsey o party chairman ankasa kora no ko say ye ba ho soja fo ba ho no o ma mo na mane ne nam ba bia wo okosu wo press conference
so it's soon
stop that
it's soon no basis
oh please stop it there and I'm saying that stop it the soon na solve
no say based on the video he saw. Now,
and I'm saying that, but even amongst the solutions, now go for river guy yellow. What can they do? So my culture lands minister, no, you're too illegal mining. What is getting worse? And what I refer to your crew. Of course, that also mean. Also say Elembele for Western regions, the Western law for. You're being minister. No. These comedy tricks and all those things. Oh, we are past gone. No man see anyway. And no man see MCC a pie anyway. You work for 8 years without justification. You are fired just like that. And we keep talking about patriotism here in this country. Now public service holders are being pushed away. Why? Is that the kind of politics you want to practice? Is that the reset that we want to do? Why are we doing this to ourselves?
Asempa FM.
Why? And look at the initiative that the chief of staff took. I was just looking at you. Fantastic, chief of staff.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Kwewadia.
Yes, fantastic. Business forum, no.
Yeah.
But Obi, implementation, why do? Politically exposed people in Guana, if there's going to be any benefit in that forum, politically exposed people, especially in this administration, because I want to propose. What?
And some way, and our Omahine Yawadubu at Mudabetuja Afa, Honorable Emmanuel Kofi Amabua. Needing quite that confuse me. In some because Yenti reply of me so by way and Okase, and I quote: any journalist who campaigned for John Dramani Mahama should bow down his or her head in shame when you move at all. In some say Nagana for a day out to dry Ewabra or my Hinimodiamos and Etuja.
Every year, Bonnie, Editia Wawa by because Ankau Yenipe Bia. Any sensible, reasonable person. And you know what pisses me off about Ghana? Some of us sat in classrooms where, even though our parents were rich, no more sacking in school fees. Today, your younger sister, younger brother is not being sacked school fees. But what's now will be a count to three say school fees no crying to your man and yeah, the papa. What is free education? And you believe it. You believe it. Say education here. How? How did we get here? Because of people like Hopes Nadoye. Me said that, maybe so and say, senior, I dare be because we maintain here. Me know me and Nina ne say. Diabano. Yam Pequania, Sebio, ye bet to me at the eye, advert adi. And I will catch him and say, oh, as a matter of fact, all the information I want or the Bemaman and Paso conversation I only a say when you are in Nara. Mo follow those times, no me born in an Amobia TV. What you say? You didn't in a baby tuja. Now, Fay a ban the same. And a 1 month said you made way, you did me a good court 2 years. Na sana dia o ye upia di ko ninano na chese upia me na nkame ni miginem na me kokono na o di discount na nado ho na me meti Canada ha na me court na ye twi me form na o di discount na nado ho. That is what you wanted. Into chese me me be ye o guinea fowl a o di me be kiska ba me nye nipa o be use afa ho adi and the Muhammad start amokeka keka Muhammad no nsem no. The people we allowed in the party. You cannot destroy a good man. You can destroy them to some extent. Share Job wrong, Job. Upon the Job family na nyame ama Job enwu. Nyame ma Job nya sa netete ahotoso no wo no. Nyame ma Job nya yansa. Now we just say sika bi a ope edie ewo minim what type of money you were looking for do. Meaning what type of money you were looking for that you didn't get with all the power that was given to you. Thinking that John Mahama is going to come and appoint you back today. Appoint you to the airport. It's the airport also Obekwa Koshe Green, now they stamp and Krofo Eyim, which I know you won't mean yet. You people plotted against your own political party, all because of money. Na sebe and kame a men no mako court eko to over 11,000 they defend them. Nanado say nanado case na ba and me na me be gina mu entima me say odi mi kodidi. Oh Felix me na mo Felix na me oh ene ya fa ne fa me ho ene fa ne fa me ho oh no obo ano no kwa sim no kwa akwaji no de ahye no no nem no ko. But God watches over everybody. Everybody who knows me himself me de akoma pa and they could this case nechi na eya me de so se nyankopon engu yanimu ase eno ne ade eya me de nyame wangu manimu ase Because some you get a buy, you know, so we are not the Biameka. Yen in any group so for some of you who didn't know me, she's my friend for years. Me show some me born me be a this girl will be there. Some me foreign show cry any Ghana for show. A queer say, well, better take it about support to me. It's not me to say. Or starting say, oh yes, dear no. Our platform so. And I'm a sister, now 3.